YouTube friends, it's Elizabeth J with an S, and today I wanted to talk to you about what I've finished in this Afghan that I've been working on, as well as talk about the new box. So this is the items that I've completed for the 6th box. This is one square and there are 3 of these. And then this is another square and there are 3 of these. So far this pattern is my favorite in the Afghan. So so there's 6 squares in this Afghan, and what I'm working on is the Moroccan Tile Afghan in the Casablanca color combination. I just felt it was the most Moroccan. They do have other color combinations that are also really nice, but this one really appealed to me. So what I'll do is, because now it's a bit too big to put on screen in a video, I will take a shot of the Afghan as it is completed up until this point, including these tiles, so you can see what it looks like so far through box number 6. So let's take a look at box number 7. Now, if you have been watching my videos in this series, I had mentioned that the box number 6 had been waylaid and they had to send me out another one. And this was after I had received 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I had already opened number 7 thinking, okay, I can do the number 7 subscription, but it needed some of the colors from number 6. So I actually had to wait for number 6 to now go ahead and do number 7. So that's fine. Anyway, this is what the Afghan looks like if you are checking this video out for the first time. In this series, this is kit 7, and this is what the Afghan will look like at the end. Let me zoom in and then we can take a look at what's going to happen in this particular kit. Okay, so for this kit we'll be doing the items that have been outlined in purple. So another 2 tiles that will be completed, and that I think takes us to the end of all the tiles if I'm not mistaken, but we'll see when I finish that up. So this is kit number 7. So we'll be working on square 6, which looks like this, and square 7, which looks like this. Some interesting techniques. We'll see if I have a new favorite. So what will we need for this kit? Well, we'll need the yarn that I will show you in just a minute, and then the 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. So this is what I'm using. That is letter I. I'm not sure what number that is, but it's 5.5 millimeters. And this is the hook that I've been using the whole time. Even though I know the hooks come in the same size, I just feel like sometimes you switch to a different style hook and then the crochet looks a little bit different. So what are the colors that we will be using? So this is the honey color. This was the color that I needed to get from kit 6. It was a new color, and since I didn't have kit 6, I couldn't proceed. And as you can see here with square number 6, I do need quite a bit of it for this particular square. Okay. Then we have this new color, which is quartz pink, and that is the center of this square. Obviously cream, and now these are bits that I've had left over. I'll finish them, and then I have other ones from other kits. So basically the way it works is that they send you what you need, but you may have a little bit left over from a previous kit, and so then this is what I do. I use what I have left over first and then start a new skein. So the only thing that's brand new in what I'm going to show you right now is this pink one, because it's new to this particular kit. So we have the honey, the cream, this color, which is saffron, that's also here, and then this Rococo Rose. So these are the 5 colors, I'm trying to fit them in the zoomed in screen, that we'll be using for square number 6. A nice little interesting color combination. Then when we go to square 7, we will be using we don't need that, we don't need that. So we have these 3 colors that are being repeated for square number 7, but we also will be adding on Mediterranean and Aquamarine. So these now are the 5 colors that we will use for square number 7. Okay, so this is kit number 7, and these are all of the colors that we will be using in this kit. We have my crochet hook, and then this guide, which they have all the written instructions out, but they also do provide videos that walk you through every step of the way with every single kit. I really like following along, and what I do is I turn on the closed caption and I put the video on no sound, so I don't hear any talking, but I can see the instructions and I can follow along with the written instructions if I need it. And so that's how I do it. I can like watch a movie or something while I'm crocheting, just to relax, and that's how I've been doing it. So that's what I have for kit number 7, and I will, when I finish the 6 tile, I'm assuming it's 6, let me just check on that. So for square 6, I'm only going to make 2 square 6s, and square 7, I'm only going to make 2 square 7. So only 4 tiles for this particular kit, and then we will see what happens in the next kit. So see you around again a little bit later.